Hello, my name is Richard, and welcome to my dungeon. Would you like to see what's included in the Monster Paint Set by Army Painter? That's the one with 36 paints and the Owlbear. Then you're going to watch a complete noob attempt to paint a large monster.
Dungeon Crawlers Level 1.
Actually, I already opened this paint set. This is because I used the washes in my previous videos of the Adventure set and the Underdark set. The Monster Paint Set includes 36 12ml paint bottles and the exclusive Owlbear figure. It also includes 3 metallic paints, which is a bronze, a gold, and a silver, and then the 3 washes. I never considered myself great at priming, but I did get a lot of experience painting my 1972 Chevy Nova multiple times. I'm using Army Painter's matte black primer, and I'm trying to paint in straight, sweeping motions. Here is the primer complete. I used Owlbear Brown for the bulk of the body feathers. This is by far the largest miniature I've ever painted. I do remember painting a large metal mini. I think it was a Battletech mini called the Marauder. This shared the same frame as the Officer's Battle Pod in Robotech. And the Officer's Battle Pod was my favorite mecha in the series. Please don't hate on me, but Chiron was definitely my favorite character from the first series, mostly because he was such an over-the-top villain. I used Minotaur hide on the belly of the figure. I wanted those feathers to be a little bit lighter shade, but I'm not sure if it worked out since Minotaur Brown and Bugbear Brown are very close in color. I used gray primer again on the head of the figure. I wanted to lighten up that black color. Utwig Brown is used on the flesh areas of the figure. Abyssal Black is used for the claws. I'm using Lawful White on the figure's head. In my opinion, bald eagles are pretty damn awesome, so I wanted to make a bald eagle bear. Dragonfire Red makes the mouth area pop. Fire Newt Orange gives the eyes a monstrous life. I used Primer Gray on the base. Abyssal Black is used because horns have to match the claws. Flesh Wash for the hands and feet. Brown Wash for the brown feathers. None of the kits come with a white wash, and I didn't want my bald eagle bear to get canceled, so I skipped out on any washes for his head. Here was my inspiration that gave me this idea. Here's the completed figure, and I think for my skill set, it turned out pretty good. I will revisit this figure. I want to work on terrain for the base. Thank you for watching, and please click over here to be taken to the next adventure.
Dungeon Crawlers Level 1.